You can always change your mind midway through, whether that's at the start, whether that's at the end, because there's no point being in a course where you're unhappy. I studied paramedic science at a different university. I then discovered that that's something that I didn't want to do anymore. I didn't have the passion to do it. So that's when I went through clearing and found the student ODP course. So I decided to apply to the University of South Wales. I think it was actually June, July time. I rang up the university, to which they said that yes, there's spaces. I had to give them simple things, just like my grades, why I want to go through them, and just some other personal information. The next day I was offered an interview, and then the following day I was accepted. The support that I had while going through clearing from the student services as well as the clearing team made it such a smooth process for me. Now I've started the course, I'd never look back. It's something that I'm thoroughly enjoying. If there's any students that are deciding that the course that they're on is not for them, it's not the end of the world. There's so many other options. It's not a daunting experience. Like, there's so much help for students out there, and it's never too late to change what you want to do.